Today in Reading Workshop, we're still focusing on those Incas, Aztecs, and Mayans. So you're grabbing books from those two bins to read about them and learn about them so that when we get more in depth in our writing, you won't have to research as much because you've already been reading about them. So we've been talking about main ideas and how they're stated clearly by the author in a topic sentence. And then they're going to have details that match the topic sentence. So remember that topic sentence is short and sweet. They're not going to go in a lot of detail because the detail comes elsewhere. So as you are reading about the Incas, Aztecs, and Mayans, so after you read the first few sentences, you need to be asking, is there a clear main idea about the topic already stated? What is it? Usually it's at the beginning because it says after you read the first sentence. Now, as you're reading, so during your reading, and think about this every few pages, sections, or paragraphs, what do I think the topic of the text is now? Because it may change. How is that main idea developed or supported with details in the text? So how do those details match that main idea? And then after you're reading, and yes, you're going to have to share, what do I think the topic of this text is now that I've been reading for a half hour? Is it the same as I thought after it was reading the topic sentence at the beginning? And then why? So make sure that you can answer this because that's what you're going to be sharing at the end of the 30 minutes. Remember, we're reading only about the Mayans, Aztecs, and Incas. So it's out of those two bins. And as soon as the class period is over, you're going to be returning those books. None of them are staying in our desk or on our desk because we're sharing. So make sure that you are reading the entire class period and you're focused on the Incas, Aztecs, and Mayans. Make sure I get a good report. I'm excited to hear everything you've learned about those Aztecs, Mayans, and Incas. Good luck and enjoy reading.